Is Univerbal the best app to learn in 2026? Learning a new language used to mean memorizing endless vocabulary lists or sitting through boring grammar lessons. But today, apps powered by artificial intelligence are changing the game. Among all of them, one name has been making a lot of noise lately: Univerbal. It promises to help you actually speak a new language through real-time conversations with AI. But does it really work, or is it just another overhyped learning app? When you first open Univerbal, it instantly feels sleek and personal. The app asks a few quick questions about your goals. Maybe you want to travel, move abroad, or simply talk with native speakers. Based on your answers, it creates a customized roadmap that adapts to your level and focuses on helping you speak faster and more naturally. Unlike traditional language apps that rely heavily on flashcards or grammar drills, Univerbal focuses on real communication. Its entire design revolves around speaking. You can have full conversations with an AI that actually listens, responds, and corrects you in real time. It can role-play situations like ordering food, booking a hotel, or chatting casually with someone at a cafe. The best part is how adaptive the AI feels. It learns your accent, identifies your weak spots, and adjusts the difficulty as you progress. If you keep making the same mistake, it doesn't just point it out, it gives you examples, explanations, and practice until you fix it. Another highlight is how the app tracks your progress. After every session, you get feedback on fluency, pronunciation, vocabulary, and overall confidence. You can even replay your past conversations to hear how much you've improved, a feature that's surprisingly motivating. Visually, Univerbal keeps things simple but elegant. The lessons are short, usually 5 to 10 minutes, so you can practice anytime. There are also visual and listening exercises for when you want a break from talking. The sound quality is excellent, and the voices sound remarkably natural, not robotic like older systems. Pricing is pretty straightforward. There's a free version with daily limits, and a paid plan that unlocks unlimited conversations, offline mode, and tailored lessons. Compared to apps like Duolingo Max or Babbel Live, Univerbal feels more focused on real interaction rather than memorization. It's cheaper than most subscription-based language tutors, yet delivers surprisingly engaging results. Performance-wise, Univerbal runs smoothly across devices. Your progress syncs automatically between your phone and desktop, and it barely uses data, perfect if you're practicing on the go. Still, it's not flawless. Some users might want more cultural or grammar-based content, and the AI occasionally misunderstands complex sentences or idioms. But overall, those are minor issues compared to how effective it is for speaking confidence. The real magic of Univerbal lies in how alive it feels. You're not just learning words, you're communicating. Each session keeps you thinking, speaking, and reacting naturally, just like in real life. And that makes the experience feel less like studying and more like actually living the language. So, is Univerbal the best language learning app in 2026? It might be. It's modern, intuitive, and genuinely useful for anyone who wants to speak, not just study. If you've tried other apps and still feel stuck or shy about speaking, Univerbal could be your turning point. With real-time AI conversations, instant feedback, and consistent improvement tracking, it helps you build true confidence step by step. If this review helped you, consider sharing it with a friend who's also trying to learn a new language this year. Because fluency doesn't come from memorizing, it comes from speaking. And that's exactly what Univerbal teaches you to do. Keep learning, keep speaking, and stay curious with Univerbal.